Today's video is sponsored by PDF Element Pro, which is an all-in-one smart PDF editor which offers the easiest way to create, edit, convert, annotate, sign PDF documents on Windows and Mac. PDF Element is the best Acrobat alternative and a simple PDF editor to maximize your document productivity. As a student, this app is really helpful for me because as you can see here, I'm able to edit this PDF document of a PowerPoint which I am studying currently for class. And what's really cool is that you can actually edit words on scanned documents and PDF files, which is actually my favorite feature. But other outstanding features are it's really similar to Microsoft Office if you're familiar. And it's also super fast on PDF editing. It's intelligent, convenient, fast, and smooth. And it's a better PDF editing experience compared to just the regular one because you get to keep the original font and format of your document. Another really cool feature is the advanced OCR function, which transforms scanned PDF or image-based PDF into selectable, searchable, and editable texts. So yeah, it's basically an all-in-one, and you can even convert the PDF to or from any popular file formats like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, text, images. And what I'm doing here right now is just adding a really nice comment, and I can personalize this comment with the arrow, so it's really easy to kind of make corrections for documents or PowerPoints as well, like if you are going to have to rewrite it or send it to someone. And I also like to use the feature that lets you add images, and we're just going to try out all of the different things that I like to do with PDF Element. So here you can actually see all the pages of the PowerPoint as well. And this is once again my neuropsych PowerPoint, and this is just a little sticky note, really cute sticky note that allows me to write really long texts on really small spaces, and I get to change all the colors. Oh, and this one is really convenient for those who sign documents and make documents. So you can add your signature, you can add banners and arrows and everything. So that's really cool. And also shapes. Woo! So yeah, this is once again sponsored by PDF Element, and I'm currently using PDF Element 7. I hope that if you like what you're seeing, you can go check it out. All the links are in the description box. It's a really great Adobe alternative, and it's much cheaper. So if you're into that, this may be the app for you. And lastly, I also edit my zines here and my iPad notes as well. So that's actually something that's really convenient for me as well because I have everything in one file. So, pst, what's up guys? Today we're basically just going to organize my pens, and I have been watching a bunch of desk tours and stationery hauls, and oh my gosh guys, I keep watching them and I want to make my own. So here's just a sample of me organizing my brush pens with these new shelves that I got from Japan Home Center. And actually these aren't just my brush pens pala, these are also my markers, my what's it called? My Sharpies, my what's this other one called? My Color 2 Dong A dual tip, dual-sided brush pens, and also I have a bunch of Zig brush pens. So that is the concoction of these shelves. If you like any of them, you can go buy them at National Bookstore because that's where I bought all of them. So we're just gonna be organizing my desk, organizing my brush pens, organizing everything because my desk is so messy and I need to study for my neuropsychology class because we have an exam next week. Which reminds me, I might not post a video next Tuesday. School has been really tough, and my org has a lot of things that need me to do. Was that grammar correct? I don't know. But I'm really busy with ACADS and my org, and I have to start writing my it's not really my thesis paper yet, but I have a class called Qualitative Research, and basically it's a research class, and my department advises us to start on our thesis early. So whatever topic I write about during my quantitative class is basically what's going to be my thesis. So I'm working really hard on that this week because next week the introduction, review of related literature, as well as the theoretical and conceptual framework are due next week. So that's kind of stressful.
Pasok muna natin si Loki, papakainin ko kasi yung mga nasa labas natin. Palabasin mo na.
I cannot begin to explain to you guys how long I've been looking for shelves like this, and actually I had a glass shelf custom made right before I found these, so I'm kind of like sad, but at the same time I feel like the one that I had custom made is still nicer than this because the shelves are a lot flatter, and as much as possible I want my brush pens to be laying down flat, and my markers and my Sharpies I want them to be laying down flat because the ink stays longer, so the lifespan of my pen is longer as well. So that's the whole point of having everything diagonal or flat. But I know that this is more accessible to a lot of people, and that's why I'm showing it to you guys. At first I saw it on Lazada and I ordered 2 ones and they came to me broken, so I decided not to order like anymore. And so I saw a bunch of like desk tours with girls like saying that they got theirs from Daiso. So noisy. Aga noisy. But then I went to Daiso and Daiso didn't have. But then I realized that Japan Home Center and Daiso are basically the same thing. So I went to Japan Home Center and that's where I found this along with another organizer that I bought, which is this one. So yeah. A little bit more story time. So I already told you guys that I've been watching like desk tours and organizing videos and stationery hauls, and in those videos actually it's like really quiet, like I wouldn't be talking, there would just be that ASMR vibe and what's it called, and this nice chill background music. But if you guys like that style, please let me know in the comments down below, or if you like me making cuento, because I don't know, I just feel like making cuento to make up for the fact that this is not a vlog, or I'm not really talking in this video, which I guess I am now, but I guess it's never too late to be quiet, so I hope that you enjoy the rest of the video.
that chemistry, give me what's on your mind. Telling me everything, but it ain't happening. Wish I could read your vibe.